Hello and welcome back. My name is Alicia and this is Project Vegan, so let's get baking. Today we're going to be attempting to make a chocolate sponge for a Gateau cake. I know Gateau isn't supposed to have raising agents in it, however without the eggs I think it might be a bit difficult, so we're just going to start with this for now and maybe attempt a proper Gateau later on. So let's get started. First off, you're going to want to make a buttermilk solution, a vegan buttermilk, which you need 1 cup of dairy-free or plant-based milk and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You just mix those together and then set it aside for a few minutes and it should thicken up a little bit. Alrighty, so we're going to start with 1 3/4 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 85 grams of cocoa powder, teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a little bit of salt. And you're just going to combine those. Once all that is combined, put it aside in a separate bowl. Add all your wet ingredients. So instead of 2 eggs, I am using organ egg replacer. To that, I'm going to add my vanilla. Just using up the last of that bottle. My buttermilk solution. Just using soy milk. Soy milk works the best. Oat doesn't tend to work very well. And a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using melted coconut oil. I don't want this to go hard, so right, you then slowly add this mixture into this one. Giving it a whisk. Once that's looking pretty good, you want to swap over to a spatula. Swapping over to a spatula, add in 1 cup of strong coffee. Don't do what I did and just add it in slowly. Whoops. Once the coffee is mixed through, you should have a very runny batter and you want to split it between 2 cake tins. 8 inch is recommended, but I only had 2 9s, so we're going to use 2 9s. I'm testing out these baking strips, so it should stop the cake from having a dome in the middle. So we're going to see how these turn out. We'll add them on now. So I've just used cut up towels and I'm going to put them tightly around the base of the springform cone thing here and pin them. And hopefully, right, and now we bake them at 180 for 40 to 45 minutes. The cakes are out of the oven and cooled, so let's see how they turned out. Alright, so the baking strips definitely worked. Oh, they're really hard and like crunchy. Anyway, see, I got a flat cake, and this one's even better. It's super duper flat. So look at that. Oh, gorgeous. So the only issue is now that there's a big crack in there, but otherwise they're going to make amazing cakes. I don't think this one's particularly even. I think there's more cake on this end, but that one's pretty even. That one's perfect. I will be attempting to half them that way, which means they need to be frozen, but I need to wait for them to completely cool. It is a very, very soft cake. It's almost like a mud cake, to be honest. This one's less cooked than this one. I might have overcooked this one a little bit. That may make it easier to work with. So I will be filming the decorating of this cake and I hope you stay tuned for that. But this is all I have for you. Baking strips definitely worked. Leaky pans are no fun. Is the outcome of this If you like simple, easy vegan baking recipes, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon so you get notified when I upload. Comment down below what you want to see next or what you think I should be baking, and hit that like button if you like this video. Any engagement with my videos helps so much, and I hope to see you all in the next video.